How to turn off Steam feed on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. With the recent update, TikTok introduced the Steam feed. If you want to remove it, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Now have a look at the top. As you can see, here are 3 feeds available. First feed is For You. This is the default feed that shows personalized content. Second feed is Following. This feed displays posts from the accounts you follow. Third feed is Steam. This is the new feed featuring content related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. To disable the Steam feed, tap on the Profile tab available at the bottom. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Under the Content and Display section, you will find the Content Preferences option. Tap on it. Over here, you will see the option for Steam feed. Tap on it. At the very bottom, you will see the turn off button. Tap on it and boom! You have successfully turned off Steam feed on TikTok. Let's verify whether it's been removed from the home page or not. Come back to the TikTok home page. As you can see, the Steam feed has been removed and only 2 feeds, that is For You and Following, are available. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.